In this video, we are discussing about T-on timer, how it works. Take Yano contact and empty box. Use memory address for Yano contact, which is a start button, and empty box. Type T-on, which is a T-on timer. OK it automatically take its address db3. I have taken a 5-second timing for T-on timer. After 5 seconds the output gets on. Take again Yano contact and output for lamp. Take a timer Yano contact. I have taken db3's Yano contact, that is output of a timer. Take lamp. Download the program into the PLC. Load the program. Start monitoring the program. As you make the start button modified to 1, the output will on after 5 seconds. After completion of timer, the output gets on, modified to 0, output immediately off. That is a whole operation of a T-on timer.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for such more interesting videos. Click on the bell icon after subscribing.